Okay, so now we are going to talk about the math operations that can be performed on the complex numbers. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about addition of complex numbers. Okay, so I would like to talk about the math operations on the rectangular form first. Okay, so the rectangular form first. Now, given an imaginary number says z is equal to a plus jb and z1 and z2 is equal to c plus jd, and we are asked to find the sum of these two. So we add the real parts, which is a plus c, and we add the imaginary parts, b plus d. Okay, so now an example, say z1 equals 5 plus g3 and z2 equals 6 plus g4. Now find z1 plus z2. z1 plus z2 is going to give us, the real parts are 5 and 6, so 5 plus 6 plus j into brackets 3 plus 4. Okay, so now we have 11 plus G7. That is our Z1 plus Z2.